Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grooming Brains. In the continuation of lesson light, today we will be learning about shadows, how shadows are formed. So let's move to the topic. Shadow is the dark space behind an opaque object where light is blocked by the object. Students, you see, when an opaque object means the object that does not allow light to pass through them. It does not allow the light. When an opaque object is placed in the path of light, then it stops the light from passing through. उसने रोक दिया light को, it doesn't allow light to pass through it. And since we know that light always travels in a straight line, so it cannot be bent. हम इसे बेंट नहीं कर सकते, राइट? तो फिर होता क्या है बेटा? बिकॉज लाइट इज नाउ ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड, पाथ ऑफ द लाइट इज ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड, सो इट फॉर्म्स अ शेडो बिहाइंड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. Let us discuss about some different types of objects. First of all, transparent objects. Students, substances which allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. For example, glass, window panes, all these are the examples of transparent objects. Now, what are translucent objects? The objects that allow only some light to pass through it are called translucent objects. For example, butter paper, tracing paper, oiled paper, frosted glass, all these are the examples of translucent objects. Means they allow only some light to pass through it. Light can't pass through it properly. Opaque objects. Substances that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. For example, trees, wooden blocks, books, all these are the examples of opaque objects. Now let us discuss how shadow is formed. Students, just see in this picture. Sun rays are coming from the sun and falls on the tree. As we know that tree is an opaque object, so it doesn't allow light to pass through it. Then what will happen? The portion of that tree which is not allowing the light rays to pass through it, it is getting dark on the other side, and that dark portion is the shadow of the tree. In this way, shadow is formed. Let us see another example of shadow. When sunlight enters through a window with grills, shadow of the grill is formed. Students, if we look at the beam of sunlight from a side, we will see dark spaces in the beam, and these dark spaces are what? Shadows of the grill. We must remember that shadow is not just the flat dark shape we see on the screen. It's a dark space behind an opaque object. Grills are opaque, so behind this we will get the shape of the grills. This is how shadow is formed. Now, the shape and size of shadow. Students, shape and size of the shadow depends upon the position of the source of light relative to the object. If the position of the source of light is changed, then position of the shadow is also changed. See in this picture, here sun rays are parallel to the position of the stick. At this point, the shadow is the shortest shadow because angle between the rays and the stick is very less. Now see in this picture, here we have increased the angle between the rays and the stick. Now here shadow becomes longer. So shadow depends upon the position of the light source as well as position of the object. Now, let's summarize the topic. The size of the shadow changes with the distance between the light source and the object. As the distance between the light source and the object increases, the shadow becomes smaller. Next, the size of a shadow changes with the distance between the object and the screen. As the distance between the object and the screen increases, the shadow on the screen becomes larger. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye-bye.